Okay guys, got your box break here, box 032. Alright, everybody that's got a spot, good luck. This one feels like a book card, although I've been wrong a lot lately, so we will see. Alright, everybody's got spots, good luck. Break 'em. Starting us off, Dale Rivas, number /499 from the Jets. Matthew Stafford, Detroit Lions, $2.99. Ray Rice, $13.50, Ravens. Joseph Adai, $13.50, Colts. Lee Evans, $13.50, Buffalo Bills. For the hit, Marty Gilliard, Rams, number 99. Rams again. Like I said, this one felt like a book. Nope, and once again I was wrong. So anybody's hopes are up, sorry about that. Alright, Phillip Rivers, number /499. Chargers. Denver Broncos, Knowshon Moreno, $4.99. Rashard Mendenhall, $13.50, Steelers. Steve Smith, $13.50. Knowshon Moreno, Broncos, which I think we had. Oh, $4.99. Okay. For the hit, oh, my boy. 5-time Pro Bowl, Troy P., number 18/18. Nice card. Whoever got that, I'm willing to trade or buy it from you, whichever. Alright, good break, guys.